Latest research and development. 1. Mystery ozone surge discovered in Mars's winter darkness. Scientists have captured rare insights into Mars's north polar vortex, where temperatures plunge far below those outside its boundaries and darkness triggers an unusual surge in ozone. 2. Saturn's icy moon Enceladus blasts water into space. New simulations decode its secrets. Simulations indicate that Saturn's moon Enceladus ejects less ice into space than previously estimated. 3. Why some cities thrive while others struggle. New study reveals the secret rule driving U.S. city growth and decline. Even after almost 200 years of technological change, U.S. cities continue to follow a consistent pattern that influences how they diversify and adapt over time. 4. A giant asteroid struck Australia 11 million years ago. So where is the crater? Scientists have discovered a previously unknown asteroid impact hidden in tiny glass fragments scattered across South Australia. 5. Stroke damage reversed as stem cells regrow the brain. Stem cell therapy reversed stroke damage in mice, regenerating neurons and restoring movement. 6. The pregnancy pill millions trust faces alarming new questions about child brain health. Scientists are warning that one of the most trusted painkillers used in pregnancy may not be as safe as once believed. 7. Scientists reveal that the Red Sea completely vanished 6.2 million years ago. COST researchers discovered that the Red Sea experienced a massive disruption 6.2 million years ago, completely transforming its marine life. 8. NASA captures stunning images of a Titanic iceberg's collapse. Once the world's largest iceberg, A-23A, is finally succumbing to the Southern Ocean. 9. Mission Impossible. Asteroid the size of a house poses new challenge for Hayabusa 2. Astronomers have discovered that asteroid 1998 KY26, the target of Japan's Hayabusa 2 extended mission, is far smaller and faster spinning than previously thought. 10. Scientists find cosmic fingerprints of mysterious dark matter. Astronomers have traced the hidden fingerprints of dark matter by observing rare, glowing galaxies that lived in the early universe. 11. An asteroid's billion-year-old secret is a genuine surprise to scientists. Liquid water on asteroids reshapes how we understand the early solar system. 12. Scientists just found the oldest dome-head dinosaur ever. In Mongolia's Gobi Desert, researchers uncovered a remarkably complete fossil of a dome-headed dinosaur that lived 108 million years ago. 13. Rewriting the story of human migration, scientists uncover lost land bridge to Europe. An emotional and inspiring, archaeological find of Paleolithic tools has revealed a long-lost prehistoric passage that may have enabled movement between Avilic and Europe. 14. Scientists develop the world's first rechargeable hydride ion battery. Scientists have built the first rechargeable hydride ion battery. 15. Scientists made human egg cells from skin cells. Thanks for watching this video.